Welcome to Tiny Tales and Truths, where little stories teach big lessons.
Welcome to the giving adventure. It's time to share.
Okay, the mission is clear. Mom says if we don't clear out the mountain of old stuff by dinner, then we don't get pizza. We need to decide what's trash and what's keepable.
Trash? Victory, look! It's the red rocket! We can't throw this away.
It has a flat wheel, Ada, and we're too big for it. Repeat Barnaby.
Barnaby is lonely in this box. He told me. Wait, we shouldn't throw it away, and we shouldn't keep it. We should have a giving adventure.
A what?
We fix the red rocket, load it with the best stuff, the stuff someone else would love. Now we find new homes for all of it, like secret delivery ninjas. I want to be a ninja.
I'll get the WD-40 for the wheel. Ada, grab the markers. Ruona, start a high-quality pile. Target spotted. Mrs. Higgins' porch. She's always complaining that her garden is missing a bit of whimsy. The Gnome King. He belongs in her roses.
Is she looking?
Coast is clear. Go!
Darts onto the porch, places the gnome, and scurries back. They high-five. His ball is broken.
That was my favorite ball. I won the playoffs with that.
It's a giving adventure, Victory. The magic only works if it's a little bit hard to let go.
Hey, we're cleaning out our garage. This ball has a lot of goals left in it. Want it?
Really? For real? Thanks.
Barnaby, are you ready? This is Barnaby. He's very good at keeping secrets and he doesn't like the dark. So you have to hug him at night. He's soft. Thank you, boy. The red rocket is light now.
Mission accomplished. And honestly,
it felt better than the pizza's going to taste.
I think the stuff is happier now too.
come on, ninjas. Let's go tell Mom the mountain is gone.